Aloha All-Stars and welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All-Stars Hawaii. I'm Miss Chrysa and I'm the site coordinator at Kuhai and Paul Elementary School. And if you're new here, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. And please follow us at All-Stars Hawaii on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok so you can stay connected with us. So in today's video, we're going to be making a no-bake lemon cream cheese pie. And the ingredients you're going to need is graham crackers, cream cheese, granulated sugar, and powdered sugar, 4 lemons, about kind of big lemons. And if you don't have lemons, don't worry, you can use the lemon juice in a bottle, and sweetened condensed milk, not evaporated milk, whipping cream, and butter. And make sure your butter is melted, and you're gonna need 1 stick. From the cupboard, we're gonna need mixing bowl, 1 big one and 1 small one, some spoons, I got a whisk and a wooden spoon, some pie pans, a grater, a little bowl, I got measuring cups, 1 cup, half cup, and 1/3 cup, a can opener, a spoon, and some Ziplocs. So our pie has 3 layers, which consist of the crust, the lemon cream cheese, and then the whipped cream. And we're gonna be making our pie in our layers. So our first layer is our crust. So we're gonna be making our graham cracker crust, which you need is 1 pack of graham crackers. So that's this. And we're gonna open it and we're gonna put it in the Ziploc and we're gonna crush it up. You also need 1 stick of melted butter, so you can put your melted butter in a microwavable safe cup and throw it in the microwave and let that melt for about 30 seconds. Okay, so we're gonna open our Ziploc and we're gonna put our graham crackers in there. If you don't have a hard time crunching it up with your hand and you don't have a rolling pin, what you can do is spread the graham crackers out evenly in a Ziploc like that, and then use the end of your measuring cup and just press down and it'll crunch it up. Okay, so now that we got our graham crackers all fine and mushed up, we're gonna take 2 cups and we're gonna put it into our bowl. So we're gonna get our 1 cup measuring cup and we're gonna scoop 2 cups of smushed graham crackers. So I got 1 and 2. So now we are gonna take our 1 stick of melted butter and we're gonna pour it into our graham crackers till it's well combined. So now that we got our graham crackers and our butter combined, we are gonna be putting it into our pie pans and we're gonna be making our crusts. And if you don't like to get your hands dirty, you can use gloves. And if you don't have gloves, don't worry, you can just use a Ziploc like how I am gonna do. And then you're gonna put your hand inside so you can pat it down like that. So now we're gonna take our spoon and we're just gonna scoop a little bit into here. I'm using a Ziploc, or you can use your glove. And we are going to just kind of pat it down so you make a crust. So now that we got our first layer done, which was our graham cracker crust, we're going to be moving on to our second layer, which is the lemon cream cheese. So now we're going to be putting in our bowl 2 8 ounces of cream cheese. So now since we got our cream cheese in our bowl, we are gonna be adding 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I put my whole can of sweetened condensed milk in my bowl, and now I'm gonna give it a good mix. So this is how your mixture should look. And our next step will be cutting our lemons. So we're gonna need 1/3 cup of lemon juice. So I have a cutting board and a knife. Please make sure you be safe. And I have an extra bowl right here. And we're gonna just cut our lemons in half. And we're gonna squeeze it out. Please make sure to take the seeds out. So hey guys, so if you want your lemon juice to come out easier, you can just put a little pressure and roll it on your table like this, or you can put it in the microwave for 10 seconds, and then when you cut it out and you squeeze it, it will be juicier. So now that we have our lemon juice squeezed out, we're gonna go with our 1/3 cup, and we're gonna measure 1/3, which I did. It was about 2 large lemons, and we're gonna add it to our mixture, and we're just gonna give it a good mix. So now we are gonna be zesting 3 tablespoons of lemon zest. And what lemon zest is you're grating the skin of the lemon, so it gives it that extra lemon flavor. About 3 tablespoons is about 1 whole lemon. I almost zested this whole lemon, and this is how it looks. So now we're gonna be adding our lemon zest to our mixture, like that. So now we're gonna take our cream cheese mixture, and we're gonna add it into our crust. So now that we got our cream cheese lemon with our crust, we have to chill it for about 3 to 4 hours, or until the filling is set. So now that we're done with our second layer, which was our lemon cream cheese, we are going to be moving to our third and final layer, which is our whipped cream. So how we're going to be doing that is we need whipping cream and 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And I don't have a sifter, so I'm using a whisk, and I'm moving it around like this to separate all the big chunks so it becomes powdery. So now we are going to open our whipping cream. Then we're going to take our whisk and we are going to mix. And keep mixing until it becomes fluffy. So now at this time I added my powdered sugar, and we are just going to mix that in. And remember, because we are mixing it, we are creating air. That's why it's becoming fluffy. So we're just whisking it fast and developing air into the whipped cream so it becomes fluffy. So now I've been mixing it for 5 minutes continuously, and it looks like this. As you can see, it's fluffy. So now I have extra lemon zest. If you guys have another lemon or extra lemon zest, you guys can add it into your whipped cream, and we are gonna fold it like this, in and out, not going like this. Taking from the bottom and kind of just mixing it in there, just to give it an extra lemon flavor. And we are also gonna take a lemon and we're gonna cut it in half, and we're just gonna squeeze a little bit of it so we can have that extra lemon flavor. So now we've been chilling our pies for about 3 hours, or until the filling is firm. As you can see, it's nice and firm. So we're gonna make one with the whipped cream and one without. So we're gonna get our whipped cream that we just whipped up, and we're just gonna add it to our pie. And then we're gonna add it and put it in the ice box for another 30 minutes. So let's go over what we learned today. So we learned how to make a no-bake cream cheese lemon pie, and we also learned how to make our own whipping cream out of whipping cream. And the reason why we mix it so fast is because we're incorporating air into our whipping cream to make it fluffy. We also learned what is zest and how to fold in our zest into our whipping cream. So this is how your finished product should look, and I hope you had fun learning how to make a no-bake cream cheese lemon pie with me. So until next time.